Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn how to set up recurring tasks in Trello, the 2025 edition. This is an amazing feature to keep your workflow consistent and efficient. So let's get started. Our first step is creating a new board or selecting an existing one. To do this, click on the plus sign at the top right corner of your Trello dashboard and select Create Board, or simply choose an existing board. The reason we do this is to have a clear workspace where we can set up our recurring tasks. Now that we've done that, let's move to the next step, creating a card for our recurring task. Click on Add a Card, enter the task details, and hit Enter. This is where we specify what the recurring task is. Remember, detailed and clear instructions help you and your team stay on track. Next up, we're going to make this task recurring. Click on your card to open it, and then click on the Power-Ups button. This is where Trello's magic happens. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Power-Ups are additional features that extend Trello's functionality. For our purpose, we need to enable the Card Repeater Power-Up. Once you've enabled Card Repeater, you'll see a repeat option on your card. Click it and set your desired frequency for the task, whether it's daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. This is the heart of our process, setting the task to repeat automatically. This helps us because it automatically creates a new card for the task at each specified interval, saving us the effort of manually creating it each time. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a recurring task in Trello. As a quick wrap-up, remember to select a board, create a card for your task, enable the Card Repeater Power-Up, and finally, set the frequency of your task. This simple process will keep your tasks in check and your productivity on point. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, keep your tasks recurring and your workflow flowing.